Excuse me, sir. Yes, excuse. He's smiling a way of saying sorry because I don't get.
How could he do this to me? Did I offend him? God. Huh? You really need to help me to ask this guy.
Let me cool down my temper.
Good morning, lovers. Rain fell overnight, friends. And just look at what Brother Rain did to my clothes. Sincerely? Like, how could he do this to me? I don't understand. Huh? Why didn't he give me notice that he is going to fail? I mean, he's going to fall overnight. Just look at it, guys. Like, oh my God. I don't even know where to start from. Look at how I'm picking the clothes from the floor one by one. Oh, we are in the rainy season already, and guys, please and please, don't spread clothes overnight in this during this period though, because rain can fall at any time. But like, this is a whole lot of work, like another round of work. See, it's this white that pains me more. Because
This is like a whole lot of work, guys, because all those clothes now, I'm going to put them inside this bath agbaya, inside this, and rinse once again. This is why I hate rain falling, but I'm a lover of rain, sha. So guys, I'm about to go and dispose the refuse now, and look at what I come across. Just look at what I see. Like, how am I going to pass? Just look at all this. Wow. Guys, water. Look at that. This one is not that deep. Guys, the other day rain fell. I saw one real, which is equivalent to 1,000 naira. I saw it there. I was tempted to take it, but I don't want to turn to yam. I don't even know who took the money then. See, this rain is much. We don't dey enter rainy season now. Still, leave me alone. So friends, while I was coming right now, I was told I'm going to the hospital to receive my second vaccine, and I wasn't informed before. Oh my God. Guys, we came to another hospital. So guys, I thought we come to different hospital, not knowing that we just branched there. I didn't even know what they went there to do, because this time around it wasn't my boss that that followed me. It is one of our son. So, and this is the second place we are branching at. I don't even know, and I'm hungry. This is the third place we branched at. Sincerely, guys, this chai is very, very hot. See what he bought. Sincerely, guys, I'm very, very annoyed. Like, I'm annoyed because of it left me in the car. Like, it left me in the car for like 30 minutes. Who does that? Kilo shele. So you use this to bribe me, right? Don't worry, we are going to eat. Sincerely, it pains me, oh, me that I have car sickness. When you know he has a lot of things to do, why didn't he go and finish all those things first before you took me to the hospital? Sincerely, it pains me. Like, we branch at 4 places, guys, and it wasn't just maybe like 5 minutes. The one that lasted longer was is it not 20? Yeah, 20 minutes. Turn inside the car, only me, and there's no Wi-Fi. I don't even have data. Ah, let me cool down my temper. Sorry, guys, it really pains me a lot. Like, it pains me. You guys should come and eat. Oh, what's the time? 10:06. And the funniest thing is, whenever he's back, he's going to be smiling, and I'll be like, "Excuse me, sir." He's smiling a way of saying sorry because I don't get. The reason why I'm not even that the reason why I'm going to forgive him is that because of what he bought. Because if it is my madam that took me there, see, ice cream no carry you, like, ice cream I won't see, sincerely. And if we use 10 hours on the journey, we use it, no name, she won't buy anything, including water herself, sincerely. No problem, we move. So guys, that comes to the end of today's video. Yeah, please don't forget to like if you really enjoy this vlog, please like, subscribe, share, and turn on your post notifications for more of my videos, guys. See you some other time. I love you all, guys. Like, I love you all.